Changing your daily limit on Wallester Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust your limit effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage various account preferences. Step 3. Find Daily Limit options. In the Settings menu, look for an option related to daily limits or transaction limits. Click on this option to view your current limit and available settings. Step 4. Adjust your limit. Select the option to change your daily limit. Enter the new amount you wish to set as your daily limit. Ensure that this amount complies with any guidelines provided by Wallester. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new limit, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your daily limit has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your daily limit on Wallester Business. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.